My name is Dr. Smile. I'm here at Louis Trichardt at Dr. Smile Clinic, just opposite the mall. So if you really want to solve your issues of any gum problems or bleeding problems, the only thing that you have to know or to do every day is to brush twice a day, not with just any brush. You have to have a brush that is always closed so that you don't have flies that are just lingering around or leaving bugs there. Your bristles must be soft. You see, when I'm busy touching it, you must see that these bristles are soft. They're not hard. Even when I'm touching it with my hand, I can feel that it's soft. If your brush is not soft, just know you don't have the proper brush that you need to have. So this is a brush for your oral hygiene. For the stuff that you need to take care of your teeth, you also need this. This is a floss that you have to use every day. Brushing is, you brush twice a day. You don't just brush like you are brushing your All-Star or your F4Cs like this. This is very wrong because it does not do a proper job. You need to angulate it at 45 degrees so that when you do this circular motion, it's still getting inside the gums. It's getting in to clean all the debris, all the dirt, all the food, all the KFCs, all the McDonald's that you eat. And also here, down there, still it's 45. You still do the same circular motion. All right, and then you open your mouth, and then you go there, palatally, on your upper teeth, brushing like this every day. At least take 2 minutes. Don't be in a rush, because these are your teeth, the only set that God has given you, the only set that you still have to use for over 60 years or so. So you must make sure that you take care of it, because once you lose it, the only thing that we can do for you is the false teeth, any type, whether it's implant or bridges or any type of false teeth that you can think about to replace your teeth. So this is what you do. Like I said, I'm going to repeat 2 minutes a day, 2 minutes doing this. Have a timer. Have time. Make sure that for 2 minutes you are doing it, because if you don't do it for 2 minutes, it's a problem. You end up not living some other places. So this is what you do. Then before you brush your floss every day at night, if you can't do it after eating every time, you put it in here and then you clean. And you also put it in there and you clean, making sure that you don't use a stick to remove any food impaction, because most of the cavities, they start in between the teeth, and in between the teeth, that's where food gets stuck and the brush cannot reach there, and the food remains there for a very long time. So for a tooth to rot, you need to have the longer the sugar stays in your mouth, it makes a lot of chances for your teeth to develop caries, especially when you have braces. When you have braces, even your type of a brush changes. So the other time or the next time, I'm going to come with a brush that is suitable for braces, where when you brush, you are going to aim under the braces and also on top of them, brushing them, making sure that the braces remain clean and brushing on top. If you've got braces, at least you need to take about 3 minutes. You need to add another minute, because now there's this movement that we have to do on top, and this movement that we have to do as well, because now it's no longer just 45 degrees for you. So you will do 45, and you will also angulate to brush in between or on top of the braces to keep clean. I always advise my patient, if you've got braces, to spend at least 4 minutes brushing, because the brackets or all these braces that you have in the mouth, they have increased the surface area. So they have increased the places where the food can get stuck, the food can be able to be trapped. And the people who've got braces, if there's anything that you have to do, is to make sure that you brush at least twice or more. I say to them, if you don't brush twice, that means, if you brush twice, that means you have tried to brush your teeth. So a person with the braces must always try and brush at least every time after they eat. If they've got a chance, they must rinse their mouth or brush their teeth, because the food always gets stuck there. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please visit us, don't be shy, and come and know and ask us a lot of questions about teeth, because this is our first part, just introducing a normal way of brushing, because brushing is the important and also the foundation of the first step to take care of your teeth. Because without brushing, you cannot maintain a good oral hygiene. You don't want your friends, when you're speaking to them, to be looking the other way because of the smell that they feel coming out of your mouth. So the other important thing in terms of taking care of your teeth, visit your dentist at least every 6 months to do that dental cleaning or professional cleaning, because there are some stuff, even if we are brushing, they still need a special attention every 6 months. Thank you.